Oh, dude, bam. Oh, so good. Today I'm going to show you how I take chicken leg quarters and kick them up a notch. First step, we're going to clean up any little scraggly edges. Quick and easy. Let's make a compound butter. To begin, you're going to start with 1 stick of softened butter, not melted, just softened. And for the seasoning today, I'm going with a Mediterranean style Greek seasoning. This is roughly a tablespoon. I have also used Creole seasoning, various other things. At this point, you can kind of make it your own thing. Just going to combine the butter with the seasoning. Next up, we're going to go ahead and loosen the skin up on this chicken. Now, I will tell you, with Thanksgiving quickly approaching, this is also the process I use on my turkey. Loosen the skin up. Going to grab our compound butter, and it's going to go right under the skin. This is going to season the meat, as well as keep things nice and juicy. And it will also help to crisp up the skin just a little bit. Next, I'm going to hit it with some Lowry seasoned salt. Use the seasoned salt you want. You can also use kosher salt. Go light on this because the seasoning that I have already put under the skin does have some salt in it. So this is a easy way to oversalt it if you're not careful. And just a little bit of 16 mesh black pepper. And that's all the prep you need. Leaves are falling on the ground. It's time I was on my way to the grill. That joke sucked! Gonna take our quarters, lie them down here. I'm using my elevated cooker today, my Weber Smoky Mountain. I don't have a water pan or anything like that in here, just direct heat charcoal. But it is sitting maybe a couple of feet above the charcoal itself. So we're gonna let this go until we hit maybe 120, 125 degrees. Then we're gonna flip it over and let it continue to cook. It's gonna be delicious. We are right at 130 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these over. Oh, this smells so good. Gonna let it keep rolling. All right, we have hit 170 degrees. I feel like with all the butter I had under the skin, I'm not worried about overcooking anything, especially with thigh meat mixed with the leg meat. So yes, it looks pretty. A little extra butter, never hurt anybody. You wanna get your butter as hot as you possibly can without burning it. Pour it directly over the skin. It will crisp it up. There we go. Oh man, that's juicy. Oh dude, oh man. Oh God, wow. That skin does crisp up. It's not going to be crispy like you fried it, but it does crisp up just a little bit. That compound butter we made with the Greek seasoning in it, it's fantastic under the skin. And then the light drizzle of salt right on the top. It's fantastic. It's so good. It's so good. The best way to grill some chicken. Oh, it's so good. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider giving me a like, a subscribe, or drop me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. Every time you do that, it helps to push me out to just a few more people. So help me to continue and spread that word. And as always, get up, go out, cook some good food, be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today, and I will catch you next time.